If you want to turn incredibly long videos into scroll-stopping short clips without living inside a timeline editor, then you have absolutely landed in the right spot. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to take one big recording, maybe an interview, a talk, or a lengthy webinar, and let the power of AI do all the heavy lifting for you. The goal is to create ready-to-post short videos that actually capture attention and perform well across all your social channels. The absolute best part is that you can set this entire process on autopilot, ensuring you are consistently pumping out great short content without spending countless hours editing. Whether your specific need is chopping up a single hour-long podcast episode into 10 snackable shorts or auto-generating perfect captions and thumbnails, this method covers it all. We will break down this entire process step by step, show you some little humanizing tweaks, and point out exactly where other popular tools tend to fail so you don't waste valuable time. Let's quickly look at the high-level flow, which is the entire system we are about to implement. Step 1 is simple. You upload your massive long-form asset directly into the system. Step 2 involves the AI auto-detecting the absolute most engaging moments within that recording for you. Step 3 lets you review those suggested clips, make any final tweaks, add your captions, and select your perfect thumbnail. Finally, Step 4 is setting the posting cadence using the built-in scheduling feature, or connecting it to your favorite pre-existing cross-posting tool to syndicate everywhere. And that is genuinely all there is to the core mechanism. Now, let's walk through it as if we are actually sitting down and doing the work together right now. The very first thing you do is create an account. Thankfully, there is a free trial so you can fully test everything out before committing. You sign up quickly with your email or Google account and immediately upload your first video file to begin the process. I personally always recommend starting with something around 20 to 60 minutes, like a podcast or an interview, because that gives the AI more signal to find diverse and interesting moments. If your source material happens to be a live stream recording, that's totally fine. The system accepts standard MP4s, cloud links, and virtually everything else. Once your file successfully makes it in, the platform immediately begins scanning the entire recording in the background. This is where the true magic unfolds. It meticulously analyzes audio energy, conversational cues, and the overall semantic importance of the content. Instead of you manually scrubbing around trying to hunt down the good bits, the tool intelligently surfaces specific clips that have a high probability of performing well. You will then be presented with a neat timeline of all the suggested clips, often dozens of them, if your original video was sufficiently long. Each suggestion comes with a handy estimated bite-size label, telling you if it's about 15, 30, or 45 seconds long. From here, you have complete options depending on your personal editing style and how much time you have available. If you are the type of creator who demands full granular control, you can click into each individual clip to precisely trim the in and out points. You can also toggle specific caption styles, manually swap the aspect ratio to the necessary vertical format if needed, and select the ideal thumbnail frame. But if you are simply busy, and let's be honest, most of us creating content probably are, then just use the incredibly convenient auto-edit option. Vizard will instantly create platform-ready versions optimized for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, complete with burned-in captions. It even provides a suggested caption text block, so you never have to stare at that paralyzing blank caption field for what feels like 5 minutes. One feature I genuinely love is that the AI is not just blindly chopping based on loud noises or volume spikes. It is fully context-aware, meaning if someone says, "Here's the one thing you should never do when trying to grow," the AI flags that as a high-value hook moment. That contextual understanding is precisely where so many of the other basic editors simply fail because they slice mechanically rather than semantically. Now let's shift gears and discuss captions and overall accessibility, which is a huge time saver here. The system auto-generates subtitles that include speaker separation and punctuation that actually reads well, which is rarer than you think. You always retain this power to edit those captions in line, fix a misspelled name or change a specific slang word, and the burned-in captions update instantly. Here is a pro tip. Keep your captions short and snappy for mobile viewers, knowing that the AI usually does this well, but you should always give them a quick skim. Honestly, these auto captions alone will save you many hours compared to any form of manual transcription work. When it comes to thumbnails and on-screen text overlays, the tool suggests text that specifically matches the main hook of the short clip. You have the freedom to customize the font, the color, and the exact placement of that text for maximum visual impact. But don't overdo the graphics. Big, bold text that simply echoes the core hook is generally all you need for high engagement. For your video thumbnail, you can either pick one of the frames the system intelligently suggests or upload a completely custom static image from your drive. The system also offers quick standardized templates like Tip 1 or Key Insight Number 3, helping your overall channel branding remain perfectly consistent. The next crucial piece is scheduling, which is often where many creators stop using fancy editors because publishing everywhere is such a massive pain point. This tool features an integrated content calendar where you can simply drag and drop your finished clips onto specific days and times. Alternatively, you can set automated rules like Please post one high-performing clip every single day exactly at 9 a.m. without any further input. The scheduler is capable of publishing directly to several platforms or conveniently exporting the final files for tools like Buffer or Later. If you already use a dedicated syndication tool like Repurpose or Zapier, Vizard integrates cleanly, pushing the same clip to TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn without the repeated upload dance. A quick but important note on cross-posting. Some platforms will actually penalize you for posting obviously recycled content or expect native formatting. Vizard solves this by giving you platform-specific outputs, ensuring a clip for TikTok doesn't look like a stretched-out, ugly YouTube short. This small formatting detail truly matters because those tiny mismatches are a massive reason why certain short videos end up underperforming severely. Let's be completely real for a second and compare this to some of the other options that are currently floating around out there. Tools that only do avatars or simple text to video are neat, but they will never help you extract the best moments from an actual hour-long interview. DIY editing suites give you control, yes, but they will absolutely chew up every single bit of your available time if you're trying to edit dozens of clips weekly. Some automated editors are good at one specific thing, like auto subtitles or cleaning up footage, but they often become prohibitively expensive or require many confusing plugins. And, frustratingly, a lot of scheduling platforms don't inherently understand clip selection or vertical cropping, meaning you are still stuck doing tons of prep work. Vizard's sweet spot is combining smart, context-aware clip selection with auto-editing for short form and an actual publishing calendar, all in one intuitive place. This consolidation translates directly into less time spent app hopping and way fewer frustrating export and import steps in your day. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of practical tips so your automated clips never feel stiff or obviously robotic to your audience. Always try to keep a signature intro line consistent across all your different clips because people naturally recognize and follow patterns. Utilize the system's templated intro overlay so every single clip you publish starts off clean and instantly recognizable. Make sure to trim out any unnecessary silence or those awkward filler words, although the AI does a great job handling this automatically. Double check for any weird mid-sentence cuts that the initial pass might have missed, which can sometimes happen with fast dialogue. Seriously lean into the platform-specific crop presets. Never try to make one universal clip fit every single platform perfectly. Let the system create those tailored outputs because those small format differences are what help your videos thrive natively on each service. And always remember to edit the captions for the final intended tone, as the transcription engine is smart but might occasionally miss certain nuance or specific slang. For the true total autopilot experience, you simply upload a batch of your long videos, tell it to autocut for TikTok and Reels, and approve the pics in bulk. Then, you set the scheduler to publish one new clip every single day without fail, and connect your cross-posting tool to syndicate everywhere else. You have effectively turned just 1 hour of content into over 30 bite-sized posts that drip-feed your audience for several weeks. If your ultimate goal is actual audience growth, consistency in publishing high-quality clips matters far more than striving for unattainable perfection. This allows you to maintain that crucial, steady flow of great short-form content without completely burning out your time reserves. And when you stack this solution up against those expensive custom editors or single-use tools, this is simply more efficient for creators who need both high volume and quality. Let's do a quick final walkthrough recap of the entire simple, repeatable, and real process one last time. First, you sign up, then you upload your long video source material to get things started. Next, you let the AI do its thing to automatically detect all those potential short clips for you. You review or tweak any suggestions you need to, confirm your captions, and lock in your preferred thumbnail image. Then you schedule everything using that built-in calendar or connect it straight into your existing publishing stack for maximum automation. For extra scale, connect that cross-posting automation so your Instagram clips automatically get pushed out to TikTok, Shorts, and wherever else your audience lives. All right, that is the entire setup that will change your content output forever. If you like this breakdown, here's a super quick starter checklist to get your first test run going right now. 1. Pick just 2 or 3 long videos to test the system with initially. 2. Enable that auto-edit feature and just let the AI generate all those initial short clips for you. 3. Approve or tweak the first 10 clips it finds and then schedule one to post every day for the next 10 days. 4. Monitor the performance closely and then iterate based on what your specific audience responds to the most. You will quickly learn which types of hooks and which moments resonate best without having to guess anymore. If you need help crafting specific prompts for caption generation or need hashtag ideas, I can certainly drop some proven templates in the comments next. But honestly, the fastest way for you to truly master this is to just try the free trial, upload 1 episode, and watch the AI do its magic. It won't be absolutely perfect every single time, and you will still nudge a clip or 2 manually, but it is an undeniable game changer compared to the old way. That is everything you need to know. It is simple, repeatable, and provides very real results in your content schedule. Try turning just 1 long recording into a full week's worth of scheduled short videos, and you will immediately see how much easier consistent posting becomes. If you want me to write you a mini template for captions and hooks that you can paste right into that editor to keep everything consistent, let me know right now.